Yeni Angola World Cup qualifier. August ya dreams nso atremane Samates. Our CAF competitions bo. Hwe the pitch aye. Hwe the pitch na ye. Dia sorry no muntimi nkoye wo Heroes Park wo baby. Ai labor hona ai Premper Assembly Hall side on. If I say Jubilee Park.
Yeah.
I want to be quiet. When you pitch, I discuss and I nice in the J. The name bo wa ye kajak. But for a more money now. The be pride here Ghana a football nation. And a football nation kwa yin shade. Cuz we dey mamin tio.
Come for facility in the Ababe say in there. Let's admit that. Need him say be in a sense quite fast was a facility in the UC, you know. Come quite fast was facility, no. You UC, you know. Anyhow, you UC facility, no. Let's just say I expect to say animal will be
Opemsuo.
In a sense that baby I bobo also. And you couldn't necessarily this is so. And your platform this stage necessarily a mountain also. And your ground necessarily nipa baby hundreds of people, thousands of people. Eko ko jina ediasa. Eko tena. Edu omo 90 one for a whole night. Emma adieche. And this oko koyene sa. Grass no enya meant for that. It's a then a negative effect. Ewo pitch no so. Enti wo me nwanwa say niema we asa ye nwanwa kwa me.
Enya me nwanwa na ye na ye me yabigi.
Me na me nim say besi. Me sure say oman mo institution ba ko mo de yenti obi a hye no. NSA for ne yakoka Ghana Football Association for no. Say Ghana has to baby omo boy yenti obi ada de lumba nyom ne pa ye GFA. Ba pe de NSA for ne ye ne de. Ya so mo ya ka GFA ne ho amoma boy yenti obi anyom no. Omo ye de omo ne ye because omo future at the end of the day. I don't know this ka be bomb bottom. E to da ye ti omo say so be rent stadium ne out. Ye ti omo say so the stadium will for other events yet because it is done all over the world. Maybe one of my Premier League games crampo no. About a stadium no. Yebabo game no was so now there are other demarcations. I say I other events here then. Was so. Maybe one of my sporting event, most of them. No but other sporting event are any football. But we make sure say idea be have pitch now. There are ways you can cover the pitch. Yeah. There are ways. I'll be to behind the way. A cover pitch, no. At the end of the day, enko for how need to transform from red pitch, no. I be we are saying that the NT as I say a year pitch, no. I feel you see pitch for Saturday chrono. Never hack clubs, no. Never higher football. Never how miners who because I'm not America. Black Stars baller or Baba ball. Is it Ghana ni Angola?
Angola.
African Cup of Nations qualified by Baba Yara Stadium. Come. I can 5 weeks so. I can now watching them. Now watching enum na sabo na baso 5 weeks and aka and sana Black Stars ababa be born the first African Cup of Nations qualifier El Baba Yara Sports Stadium, and this is the stage of the only pitch I is sanctioned by CAF to host international games. Adiana NSA ne no ebia we are not seeing the repercussions now, but maybe be ba Ghana would be forced to play their qualifiers. Our clubs will be forced to play their qualifiers and intercontinental games outside the country. And I know ni yemu bi how enti aye kasa eno ni mu yemu bi how enti aye kon wa yi ntintira nwumra e dia baba betra hai eno ni yemu bi how eno any problem I wo hono ma ye ka ho asem, but it looks like NSA ni ntie NSA ni ye de disika beba ni botom ngwa. But kwame e wi ase na ayete no, wherever there is more than one person in any kind of engagement, Kwame say won kwa and na obedwene wo ho. But once it becomes more than one, you have to think about the other party.
Sure.
Once it becomes more than one, you have to think about the other party. And no na ya die ka morality asem no. But the people decide say the morality aspect of it omon fanye hwe. Yes, they are only going to be looking at the legal aspect. Stadium na yana se ne dia. Eti de ope bia nko betimi dia ye. But you should know that there are other people involved. Omo na use facility no. Ema wo NS ne dia opese wunya no wunya wo. Eno na ode mra foforo akwa Kumasi Asante Kotoko. There have been series of engagement. Omo di nkomo saa o. Omo di nkomo saa, di nkomo omo ne Kotoko. Series of engagement corresponding between the two. And Omakasa sa ababa bedu this particular stage. E dey benti na engage Kotoko. Because when we take Kotoko you see facility no.
Sure.
E ma onya mfaso di free so. Opemsuo sa party no you see facility ni ma onya mfaso free so no. Man that respect enye de ono nso so e bebo ano. Ye hu other stadium e wo other regions a. Esan se Premier League club e strong ni honom. You see facility ninti. Facility na say a good point a typical example. When they lost their clubs in the Premier League or Western region. Maybe the amount of yes, they are in Western region. But baby omo one no mu you see a pon. But omo no mu you see a pon. Second 11 wise. And Hazakes. When these clubs were relegated, omo to be maintaining the Sipon Sports Stadium. And I say I'm afraid na buying this Sikafo for Akwa Innovative Stadium no. Look at the state of the Aliu Muhammad Sports Stadium. Tamale. Almost some more Premier League club because they are not as strong as Kumasi Asante Kotoko. And they had to fucking see. Look at the state of the Aliu Muhammad Sports Stadium. And they say who take decisions. Now why you near maybe. Now I need the other party. Now why you the it is wrong. It is wrong. Should in case Kumasi Asante Kotoko forcefully. Free Baba Yara Sports Stadium.
Stadium ni say.
Omo be program December. Kwame. A obaji o musika na wo fi say no nti wonwini Kumasi Asante Kotoko ho no. Woni Kotoko ya adwuma afi mu o. Ajisa dia mene Kwame ananete. Kwame. De bia mi hia wa Kwame. Ene me hia wi de wo de age 10 yi hye wo ho. Na mama o 10 cedis. Mishia Kwame bia me man 10 cities. Kwame afi saying 365 days. Saying and yet 3,000, you find 3,600. Say 3,600 na boga bi fia brocha ba no baba be shia Kwame ana nenne. O shia Kwame ana nenne na no ma Kwame ana 500 Ghana cedis. E Kwame hu wa chewo ejiwe na fa ho. Ba boga ne ebia 5 years ni hu no. 10 years ni wunhu no but it sounds we share no 500 Ghana cedis value on dey na chen o dey me 10 cedis na wo ka bo ma fimu ni nyina wo mfa nyere
me nwene ho kra sure
elu bi na ene se ni Kumasi Asante Kotoko ye no you work with Kotoko throughout the year enya skafi Asante Kotoko throughout the year but obi be baba ya sorry ba akopɛ no ama usika enti wo fi wo se Kumasi Asante Kotoko na woni ne ya adwuma afi mu ni nyina no Kotoko sika ni hu hia obiom esan se duru December wo nkrofo bia wo benya sika bia de ben e de afiri omo ho ba ye woni ama bi wo ho ma se NSA ne dwene ho eno na madi nkan aka no you don't do things that is going to benefit you alone Kwame ye tia no ma ye adwuma as a sports team. There are decisions if I would want to take. I will say me take you be our sports department into consideration. Me to be sorry prekope. Na me nka say me take decision e be boa me nko never have sports team no. There be because I am not the only person in the sports team. Sure. And once we are more than one, I have to think about the other parties. It's the NSA no. Omo ye adwuma no. E say wo dwere omo ho. Enya wa dwen say duru December wo betwa ate. Na fi January kokosi November nso so efi January edi kosi November nso so ene se na dwene ho se Kumasi Asante Kotoko num decide say omo nyusu stadium ni mu biema sa aka to folk num decide say omo nyusu stadium ni biema are they going to get monies from the things they are going to be doing in December event to main December nko omo de beje sika dia maintain facility na ese so omo tena se no omo dwene saa ne ma ne ho no omo take decision ebe bo both parties because there are other stadium wo man mu available ebi wo no ma enhye NSA na se
okay
ene na ya tete se Kumasi Asante Kotoko be pese obekwa akwa use abrankese pe nkomo a me di no Asante Kotoko nya nwene ho pe what I know but e koko si say na Asante Kotoko decide say NSA den seminar or can they can't comply so they would have to find another venue no decide say akwa use abrankese at the end of the day e dia ben na NSA ni benya no dia maintain stadium no because NSA ni ntimi nkan che say obi mo musika chen Asante Kotoko
okay Dabi.
They can't tell me that.
Dabi.
So on Kotoko be here juma fini nyina. Obi won obe ma ska chen Kumasi Asante Kotoko. It is never true. It's omo nyene hu biom. Na omo nya ade e be boa parties ni nyina. Na enkonko yes omo no nko aye de omo ne pe. Na omo nya omo ahoto. Na e be affect the other party.
Mate.